Hi students, let us try to understand one more problem, student. Which of the following is correct IUPAC name of the compound? So dear student, there are possibilities are there whether you can go this direction or you can go this direction. We have to see how many carbons are there, because here to here not possible, this to this not possible, because here branching arises from here. So if you are talking about here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, that is 9 carbon. Here you going 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. So this is the correct one, right? So dear student, let us try to write down the name of this compound. Up here you see two complex branch are there, friend, है ना? Two complex, this is the complex branch and this is the complex branch, right? So what we can do to write the name, friend, what we can do here, okay, what the possibilities are there? If you are doing for this one, student, if you are going for this compound, right, the downside one, so wait students, so how can we write the name of the downside compound, student? On the fourth position here this group are there, and fifth position this group are there. So first of all we are going to write that is on the fourth position what are there, student. So fourth position if you are going, so this compound is something like that, CH is there, here is CH3, and this side also CH3 is there, right? So what will be there? It will be, student, it will methyl, because this is the 1 2, so this will be side chain. So that is 1 methyl and ethyl it will be. So I am writing, student, that is 1, it is going to be methyl, then parent will be ethyl. This bracket is closed. Now the again when this is there, so this carbon will be 1 2 3. So that is on the 5 position, friend. It will be what will be there, student, that is the no 5 position again going to be what, 1 methyl, 1 methyl, and then what would be there, student, propyl, propyl, and then you write the name of the word to the word root, student, what will be there, student, decane. It is of course little tough, student, but when you practice this compound, now this will be absolutely, it will be easy. Okay, you can see here this compound you can write like that, CH3 CH2, CH, with this what is there, CH is there, here is CH3, this is CH3. Now you go for the next one, CH, you can have that is CH, here is we are having CH3, this is CH2 and CH3 is there. Now the next one you see, student, what are there coming, CH2 CH2 again CH2, going to be CH2 and CH3. So here, friend, this is this, see this and this group side chain. So whichever is coming first, that we will write the name. Here see, you can write that is numbering 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay, this is the only possible numbering, other is not possible. So fourth position what is there, student, if you are going this one, so 1 and 2. So fourth position what is there, 1 methyl, right, 1 methyl, then what are there, ethyl group is there, bracket closed, then 5 position will come. So in that one also 1 methyl is there, friend, because this is 1 2 3, 1 methyl, and then it will come propyl, and what will bracket close, it will be a student, that will be the decane. So this is our required answer. So which can be the correct option, student? 4 1 methyl ethyl, 5 1 methyl propyl, decane. So option number D is correct, friends. You need to practice, dear student, to understood this concept. Thank you so much for watching, friends.